Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to CapCut and you'll enter here. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.